This is called as automatic light game. We have put a rubber band so it should not touch the metal wire. If we start the game, if the rod touches to the metal wire, the light will turn on. You can see we can identify that the player is out. Thank you.